Received an LVM file from a lab instrument or test system and need to analyze the data inside. This is a measurement log from one of engineering's most trusted data acquisition platforms. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and process these LabVIEW measurement files. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering LVM files with corrupted internal metadata. LVM files are measurement data files created by National Instruments, LabVIEW data acquisition, and instrument control software. They contain recorded measurement values from sensors, instruments, and test equipment, with timestamps, channel information, header metadata, and tab-delimited data columns for engineering analysis and scientific data logging. LabVIEW LVM files use a plain text tab delimited format with a multi-line header section containing metadata such as date-time channel names, units, sample rate and number of samples, followed by columnar numeric data. Each column represents a measurement channel with rows corresponding to sequential data acquisition time points. The operating system preferentially attempts to open LVM using LabVIEW from National Instruments, NI. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows presents only minimal context, so full interpretation relies on compatible tools. To force file access, right-click your LVM file and select Open With. If LabVIEW is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If the LVM file won't open, don't panic. The reason for the error is almost certainly the LVM file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, opening in LabVIEW. Launch National Instruments. LabVIEW and use the Read from Measurement file. Express 6 to load the LVM file into your VI for processing analysis and visualization. LabVIEW parses the header, metadata, and data columns, automatically creating waveform data types, ready for signal processing charting and further computational analysis. Next, viewing in a spreadsheet. Open the LVM file in Microsoft Excel or LibreOffice Calc using File, then open with the text Import Wizard. Set the delimiter to tab and skip the header lines to import the numeric measurement data into spreadsheet columns. Create charts and perform calculations on the imported data using standard spreadsheet analysis functions. Finally, processing with Python. Load the LVM file using Python with NumPy or the LVM read package from pip. Use numpy-gen from txt with appropriate skip header and delimiter parameters to import the data array. The LVM read library specifically parses LVM header metadata and data sections into Python dictionaries for streamlined scientific data analysis and visualization with matplotlib. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.